I am hyped because I'm taking a spontaneous solo road trip adventure to New Orleans, all the way from my home base in Ohio. It's going to be an 11-hour drive. I've set a budget of $500 total for this trip, estimating about $300 will go toward gas for my mini camper van, and enjoying some local food. Since New Orleans is known for its food, I'm planning to eat one delicious meal a day to keep within my budget. I'm attending a completely free 2-day community conference that includes all food and snacks, which will really help me stick to my travel budget. But I got to veer off and get some good New Orleans food. I've packed some snacks, and the provided meals at the conference will definitely reduce my out of pocket expenses. Now, a little detail what's going on in my home base of Ohio. I'm currently in a 12-week health challenge focused on exercise and eating healthy. I'm trying to be mindful of what I eat, even with all the amazing food in New Orleans. By the way, I've never been to New Orleans, and I love following like my own joy route, which is my travel philosophy. This travel is slow mo and come back when I feel like it. Although I might just need to return my plans slightly due to some upcoming graduation ceremonies and other events, so I need to be back home. I'll figure it out as I go. If you're thinking about planning your own affordable road trip this summer and needing a weekend or week long escape, definitely follow along. I'll be sharing my complete budget breakdown to help you plan your own journey. And best of all, since I'm traveling and sleeping in my own converted camper van, I'm saving a ton on accommodations. I'm sure this trip could easily cost $1,000. Because I am in a 12-week challenge, as you see, I did pack some food, some snacks just going down there. So when I stopped and got gas, I wouldn't be tempted to like buy something buy something out of the convenience store. And by the way, I only spent 100 and maybe $64 in gas. I added it up. As I was leaving Ohio, gas was like almost $3. But the farther down south I got, the gas was getting cheaper. And y'all will see I stopped at Buc-ee several times. On this trip, I ended up stopping at Buc-ee's not once, but twice because the gas was a little bit cheaper. And as y'all can see, I totally had a gluttonous meal. But Buc-ee's wasn't as good. And like I said, I went there 2 times. It wasn't as good. And I think why is because it was so crowded and they just had the food out and the sandwich. I got a not corned beef. Yeah, was it corned beef? No, it was a brisket. I got a brisket, and the brisket just wasn't good. Like I said, I went there not only one time, but I went there twice, and it was good. Like the apple pie was really good, but the brisket wasn't that good. But oh well, Bucky's when it's fresh is really good. Now, as I told y'all, I went to a 2-day community conference. And I don't get political on this channel, so I'm not going to do it in this video. But I went to the conference. The conference was nice. The last day so throughout the conference, it was just like snacks. And I already had my own snacks, and I'm in a health challenge. So I just stuck with the snacks that I had. But on the last day of the conference, they gave us an amazing meal. It was like some fish, some like Cajun fish, macaroni and cheese, greens, cornbread, everything I was not supposed to be eating with the health challenge, being in this 12-week health challenge. But when I got there, it was really muggy and hot, which that doesn't bother me. Heat doesn't really bother me. But the last 2 days I was there, it rained nonstop. And it's interesting because it is the 20th anniversary of Hurricane Katrina. And they're going to have a big thing down there in August. So I met a couple of people and I might go back. This was at the conference. Some of the dancers, these dancers danced at the end. I did get one of their number as well. Not in like a romantic way, but just, I'm like, y'all should come to Ohio. I also got my hair shaved on the side and got a design in my hair. I don't know, y'all. I just did me. Okay. So my hair is shaved on the side. Y'all can't tell. And I met some nice people and they're supposed to be traveling back there. I'm going back there. I did come back. I had like 8 males in my family graduated. Like seriously, like 8 males. And we went through a couple of years where nobody was graduating. They wasn't of that age. So that's something to be very proud of. And I came back early. Like I was down there like a little less than 2 weeks for the family thing. And here's the conference I went to, and stay tuned for who I met. I went to a 2-day conference called State of the People Power Tour. State of the People Power Tour, and it's like a 12 city tour. Now, I did just get back from Louisville because they came to Louisville as well, but this one was in Louisiana where I met Reid. She was at the 2-day conference. So it was a really good conference. Again, I'm not getting into it, it's about community stuff. And the stuff that we learned in the workshops could apply in any city that you're in. So I met a lot of wonderful people. And this is my attempt to record my trip. This is my jacked up filming. Y'all know how I do it. I did want to share this with y'all. Excuse that it's all over the place, the video. But thank y'all so much. Live your joy route. Whatever you do and however you do it, live your joy route. Because as I say, life is short. And we don't think it, but life is really short. So thank y'all for watching. I'm going to put the Louisville video up too. I went to Louisville with my family and I didn't stay in my camper van. We got a hotel, but we did go to this 2-day conference in Louisville as well. Thank y'all. Take the joy route.